everyone, if you drive an electric car in the UK, you've probably heard of the pavement tax. It's the massive VAT gap that makes public charging way more expensive than charging at home. But as of January 2026, we are at an absolute breaking point. With new road taxes looming, the government is finally under pressure to slash charging VAT. Is the 20% VAT rate finally about to die? If you have a driveway at home and you can charge on your driveway, then you pay 5% VAT. It's classed as domestic energy. But if you live in a flat or a terraced network, you're hit with 20% VAT. It's a two-tier system that punishes people for where they live. Campaigners call it the pavement tax, and for years the Treasury has refused to budge until now. So why is the government suddenly listening? Simple. They've started charging us more elsewhere. So as of April 2025, EVs now pay a full £195 VED road tax, and we now have a confirmed date for the 3p per mile EV tax starting in 2028. However, Rachel Reeves is reportedly looking at cutting public charging VAT to 5% as a sweetener for balancing the books for drivers. So let's talk real world numbers for 2026. If you're using just ultra rapid chargers at motorway hubs, think Instavolt, BP Pulse, Ionity, you're likely seeing prices between 75 and 85 pence per kilowatt hour. At these rates, an EV can actually be more expensive to run than a diesel car. If that VAT drops to 5%, we're looking at an immediate price drop of about 11 pence per unit. For a driver who can't charge at home, that's a massive win. That's a massive saving. You could be saving over £250 a year. It's the difference between an EV being a luxury expense and a genuine way to save on your daily commute. This isn't just talk. The Fair Change campaign and the RAC have pushed this to the top of the agenda. A private member's bill for VAT parity is actually being debated in Parliament this month. Most major networks have pledged that they will cut and they will pass on 100% of those savings directly to us at the plug. This could be the biggest win for UK EV drivers since the original grant scheme. But what do you think? Is a VAT cut enough to make up for the pay per mile taxes? Is it a little bit too little too late? Drop a comment below and tell me, especially if you're a driverless EV driver, what do you think? If you're considering buying an EV, would this make you more or less likely to buy your first EV? Like and comment below. I really appreciate every single comment that I get, and I appreciate every single subscriber that I get. I'm nearly at 400 subscribers. Help me try and get to 500 by May this year. It's optimistic, but I really do appreciate it. And as soon as I get to 500, I'm going to have a competition. And if you want to be in with a chance of winning that competition, stay subscribed, stay tuned, because I will announce more details soon on how you can enter for free. And on that note, I'm going to go for a nice drive in my EV and save the environment. And I'll see you in the next video.